Hey guys, the next section of this course is going to be on managing your credit card accounts. So there's a few really important things that you want to set up right away when you get a credit card account. And so we're going to show you how you can get access to transactions, maybe be able to check and make sure that you don't have any unauthorized transactions. We're going to set it up so you can automate your payment and make sure you never, ever miss a payment or are late. And so when you get a lot of cards, this is really important to have a solid framework to think about how you're going to manage this. And then last but not least, we're going to talk about the annual fees and sort of the life cycle of these credit card accounts. Now, you learned in previous sections about your credit and the components of that. And so this one's going to be much more hands-on and practical advice about what you need to do when that annual fee is coming due, how you sort of plan for the negotiation, and what you do to execute talking with the bank and getting the fee waived or getting a bunch of points instead for paying the fee. So either way, we're going to walk you through what you need to get a good outcome for you based on what your travel plans are and sort of the value you're getting from the benefits of the card. Looking forward to sharing it with you. We'll see you in the next section.